Hello, I'm Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode is another Huobi Primelist event, so let's stay tuned. In today's episode, I will talk about a new launch Primelist event that happening in Huobi. So if you guys haven't have a Huobi account yet, I'll put down the link below. You guys can register straight away. So in order for you to join the next Primelist event, go to the homepage of Huobi, go to this banner, look for the new Primelist event. So you see here, RIFI to be listed December 7. So what you have to do is just click on it and it will bring you directly to the page. So first thing you need to do is you need to log in or you need to sign up. If you are a new user, make sure to do the verification first before doing anything else. But if you are an existing user, then you doesn't need to do this because what you need to do is you just wait for the countdowns to be ended. Then you will need to click this register button straight away. There will be a register button when this countdown ends. So don't worry guys, you just need to wait for the countdowns to be ended. So it written here 5 days, so you need to wait for the 5 days. But let's say if you are registered via HT holding or via queuing, I will talk about via queuing first. Via queuing, you need to have 50 US dollar ready in your wallet. Why? Because if you are selected by Huobi in this event, then it will deduct your 50 US dollar and purchase the RIFI automatically before the public sale starts. Okay, means you'll be getting pre-sales pricing for this RIFI. So don't worry. If you are selected, it will be written here you are selected. If you are not selected, they will refund the 50 US dollar for you. They will unlock the 50 US dollar for you. But let's say if you are registered via HT holding, then it will be different cases. And I will tell you guys what is it so different all about. So this is the criteria of this next Primelist event. Very similar to the previous one. And you can see here, you can register via queuing or register via HT holding. 10 UTC December 7 all the way to 12:20 UTC on December 7. So the trading will be open at 13 UTC on December 7, 40 minutes after the sales period ends. Meaning that you are able to purchase pre-sale pricing before even listed. So if you don't want to miss it out, remember to set a reminder or set an alarm on your phone so you don't miss it out. So how to get it on UTC timing? Very easy. Just go to Google, go to time zone, UTC time zone, then you will able to see the timing. Simple as that. Okay, so the sales volume will be 5 million token, which is 1% of the total supply. So it will be divided by 2, 0.5 goes to via queuing, 0.5 goes to HT holding. But if you are registered via queuing, then it will have a limitation, meaning that the moment the countdown ends, you need to be very, very fast to click on that register button. So let's say if you're able to get from 1 to 5,000, then you are eligible to purchase 50 US dollar to purchase the RIFI token. But if you are registered via HT holding, then it will be unlimited. It will be based on how many HT you are holding. Of course, there are minimum amounts that you need to hold. If you go all the way down, it will show you it will need to have 3 days average HT holdings. 3 days, so have a minimum 3 days holding average 300 HT between 16 UTC on December 3, which is tomorrow, all the way to December 6, 15, 59, 59 again, same thing. And you will need to have 300 HT holding minimum, meaning that if today you have 300 HT in your wallet, then you just need to have 300 HT all the way to 6 December. Of course, if you have more, then you don't need to worry. But let's say if you are late, you sign up on December 4th, then you need to have 600 HT because it will average out for you 300. But if you sign up on the last day, which is 6th of December, then you need to have 900 HT holding. In order for the system to snapshot for you, averagely you have 300. Simple as that, simple as that. No need to be very confused, okay? So there are two ways. Either you queue or you do via HT. Very, very simple. But both of them also you can earn money because every time it lists on the prime list, definitely it will go 10x, 100x easily during the product launches. Okay, so simple as that. Okay, let me show you the example of the previous prime list event, which is yesterday, which is called BICO listed. So if you go to BICO, right, I show you how high it went to yesterday. You can see that the moment it launched on public sales, it just shoot all the way. Wow, it just went all the way from 0.4 all the way up to $20 within a day. Very, very good project. Of course, this BICO is talk about a Web 3.0. That's why it attracted a lot of investors to continue investing. But imagine that if you invested right here, the pre-sales pricing, which is you are able to purchase at this moment, then the moment it launched, you can straight away sell at around $5. You're also able to make so much money. Imagine if you hold longer, then maybe you can get all the way up here. Nobody knows. And it will be an extra profit for you if you're able to hold it longer, if you want to hold it longer. Okay. So you can see, right, the price will be at 0.1 USDT, meaning that if you're able to purchase pre-sale pricing, then you will get this amount of USDT per token, meaning that you are buying 0.1 USDT per RIF. Very, very good, very, very interesting. I hope you guys able to get into this event. But don't worry if you fail to get this event also, every week Huobi will list out more and more prime list events. So stay tuned. So I think that's all for today's episode. I'll make it as short as possible so you guys able to join this as soon as possible. So if you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon and goodbye.